Now, amid NDA's landslide victory in the Bihar Assembly polls, the blame game has already begun. The latest is from Jan Swaraj spokesperson and one of the key architects of the party, Pawan Verma. Now, levelling serious allegations on the NDA government, the Jan Swaraj party leader claimed that funds from the World Bank, which were meant for other projects, were in fact diverted for the Bihar Assembly elections by the central government. He also claimed that these funds were distributed to women voters in the state. Now viewers, it is to be noted that rupees 10,000 each was transferred to the account of about 1.25 crore women voters under Mukhyamantri Mahila Rozgar Yojana. In fact, in an exclusive interview with ANI, Verma alleges here that public debt in Bihar is currently at present 4 lakh crores. The interest per day is about 63 crores and the treasury at this point is empty in Bihar. He claimed that the amount of rupees 10,000 given to each woman in the state was given from rupees 21,000 crores which came from the World Bank for some other project. Now, just an hour before the moral code of conduct for the polls, rupees 14,000 crores were taken out and distributed to about 1.25 crore women in the state. This is his latest allegations. But viewers, Despite the allegations, he also added that while they have such information, it may or may not be true. Let's listen in.
इस समय बिहार पे जो पब्लिक डेट है वो लगभग 4,06,000 करोड़ है। उसका प्रतिदिन पर डे इंटरेस्ट ब्याज केवल 63 करोड़ प्रतिदिन है। तिजोरी खाली है। ये जो पैसा दिया गया, हमें सूचना है, शायद गलत भी हो सकती है, कि 21,000 करोड़ वर्ल्ड बैंक से आए थे किसी और प्रोजेक्ट के लिए, जिसमें चुनाव के एन वक्त 1 घंटे पहले आचार संहिता के 14,000 करोड़ निकाल के 1.25 करोड़ महिलाओं को 10-10 हजार रुपए आवंटित।
You are making a very serious allegation, sir. Like World Bank money has been diverted for elections.
ऐसा मैंने आपसे कहा कि हमारे पास इसकी जानकारी है। अगर ये गलत है तो मैं आपसे माफी मांगता हूं, और सही है तो फिर सवाल उठता है कि ये कहां तक नैतिक है।